miles away.
No man ever steps in the same river twice, for it is not the same river, and he is not the same man. The world is not fixed, not solid, not safe. It burns, it shifts, it devours the weak and reshapes the strong. You cannot cling to what was, for it is already gone. Those who resist change will be broken by it, crushed beneath the weight of time. But those who embrace it, who walk into the fire and let it shape them, become something greater. Struggle is not your enemy, it is your teacher. Suffering is not your curse, it is your forge. The coward flees from the storm, the wise man walks into it, knowing that only through chaos is greatness born.